Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? Which one consistent, right? Which one inconsistent? We have to write. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Consistent is there means we have to write graphically. So what is the first question is there? See here, x plus y is equal to 5. See here, first question I am explaining. X plus y equal to 5. Next, what is there? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. We will solve. It is consistent or inconsistent, we have to find. Before doing that one, I will explain something. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means the lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting one point. Like this, they will intersect one point. Intersect is there means it is a consistent. Here you will get exact one solution. Next, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B equal to C1 by C2 means it will coincident. Lines will come overlap. One line upon one more line will come. It is coincident lines. Coincident means it is consistent. Coincident means you will get many solutions. Next, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and it is not equal to C1 by C2 means you will get parallel lines. Parallel lines means it is inconsistent. Inconsistent y means parallel means you will get a not answer, no answer. They will not meet anywhere. They will not meet anywhere means no answer. No answer means what? Inconsistent. Here they are overlapping. Overlapping means many solutions. Consistent. Here only one solution. One solution will come. It is a consistent. Here also solutions will come. So it is a consistent. It is parallel. They will not meet. They will not meet means no solution. No solution means inconsistent. Here first one we will do A1 by A2. A1 means here nothing means what? 1. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next B1 by B2 we will do. B1 means here nothing means 1 is equal to question written wrong or correct only is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next we will do C1 by C2. C1 means what is there? 5 by 10. C1, C2, 5 by 10. It will cancel possible. 5 1 5, 5 2 10. You will get what? 1 by 2. So all answers what is there? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there. It's meaning what? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So like this is there means which type of lines? You observe here. All are equal means what? Coincident. Lines will come one apart. Overlapping. Overlapping will come. So this is what? Consistent. So this is what? All are equal is there. Many solutions will come. It is a consistent. Consistent means we will do the graph. Inconsistent means we don't want the graph. So here what is there? It will come consistent. See here. It will come overlapping. See here. All are 1 by 2, 1 by 2 came. So all are equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So lines are what? Coincident. Coincident means it is what? Consistent. Consistent is there means we will do the graph. Inconsistent means we don't want the graph. Before graph doing, we will do this columns. This columns is compulsory. Exam, this solution not did also no problem. These boxes are compulsory. Time is there means you do the these all solutions also. So first we will do the graph. First graph what is there? See here. X plus y equal to 5. Next graph what is there? First we will do this one. See here, x plus 5. Minimum 2 taking also no problem. 3 taking also no problem. Minimum we have to take two solutions. So I am taking here 3 taking. Okay. So first here what I am taking? First number x value. See here I am doing x plus y equal to 5. So x value I am taking 2. So how to take the numbers? X value taking number means y also answer 1 to 2. Y also answers want the number only. Don't want the fraction, don't want the decimal. Like that you think and take the numbers. So first I am taking x value 2 taking. So x means what here? X value I am substituting 2. 2 substituting means see 2 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to what means? 5 came that side means minus 2. Y is equal to 3. So this is taking 2 means this is a 3. So what are the coordinates? 2 and 3 are the coordinates. Next we will take one more number. See here I will do x plus y is equal to 5. 2 after I am taking 1. So x value what I am taking? 1 taking. You have to do the solution. X value 1 take. 1 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to what? 5. Take that side. Minus 1. Y is equal to 4. So x value 1 taking means y value what is there? 4. 1, 4 it will come. Next which number I am taking? 3 I am taking. So see here x plus y is equal to 5. X value what number I am taking? 3. Not only 3, any number take, but answer also y answer want number only. So x value I am taking 3, 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. After that side it is minus 3. Y is equal to 2. So 3 taking means this answer is what? 2. 3, 2. This box is scale. So this is the first solution. Next, this is the first graph. First graph after we will do second graph. What is the second graph is there? See here. Second graph 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. I am doing here. See 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So here short form like this also we can do it. Here one short form also possible is there. It is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 2. Both observe 2 divisible, here also divisible by 2. Divisible means here what is remain? X. Here what is remain? Y. This will cancel 2 ones are 2 5s are. X plus y is equal to 5 you will get. X plus y is equal to 5. I am doing the graph. Again I am doing the graph. See x plus y is equal to 5 is there. X value see here. X, y, x, y. X value 1 I am taking means y value. See here x value 4, any number you take, not this only number, any numbers I am taking. Here I am taking 4. X value 4 taking means y value what? 1. So you take 4, 1. Solution also do it. X value what I am taking? 4 taking. 4 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 4. Y is equal to what? 1. So 4, 1. Next, same take x plus y is equal to 5. So which value I am taking? 0 taking. X value 0 taking. 0 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to what? 5. After is equal to minus, y is equal to 5. So 0 taking means what is the answer? 0 taking means this will come 5. So 0, 5 is the coordinates. Next, again you take x plus y is equal to 5. Here I am taking 3. X value I am taking 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Taking that side minus 3. Y is equal to 2. So here x value how much I am taking? 3 taking. What is the y value? 2. So you will get coordinates 3, 2. Not only these numbers, any numbers you take Baba, but y answer, x answer you take number only, y answer also you want number only. So here fair notes is there, same numbers only I am taking and here explained. So this is the box, this is the box. These two boxes we will do on the, we will plot on the graph. See here, in this one, this is the, this line is called x-axis. Here x, here x dash. Next upside y. This is y-axis, upside y, y dash. So this is the origin. This side you write positive numbers. This side you write negative numbers. Upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers. So here what is there? First we will do first graph. What is there? 2, 3. First we have to plot 2, 3. Where is there? See 2. X-axis you see the 2. Y-axis you see the 3. See this is 2. This is 3. It will move where they are meeting. You keep dot right here. 2 and 3. Next first dot over. Next is here 1, 4. See here, where is the 1? Here 1. Where is the 4? Here 4. X axis 1, y axis 4. Where it will meet? Here meet. So right here 1, 4. Next, third one what is there? 3, 2. You plot here 3. Where is the 3? Here 3, x axis 3, y axis 2. Where is there? Here see. 3, 2. Right here 3, 2. Now you will take scale and join this one carefully. Carefully joining. See here. This 2, 3 right little bit side. So here I am joining. Which dot I am joining means this dot, this dot, this dot. See here, join this one. It will come like this. Here you put arrow marker. Here also you put arrow marker. Which axis? This is x plus y is equal to 5. Right here x plus y equal to 5. See here I am showing here with pen, but don't use pen in the exam. Use pencil only. For visible only I am showing with pen. So this line is which line? X plus y is equal to 5. Next what is there? Second graph. Second one what is there? 4, 1. See here. Where is there 4, 1? I will use red pen here. See here next line 4, 1. Where is there 4? X axis here 4, y axis here 1. See here put here dot. This is say 4, 1. Next what is there? 0, 5. Where is there? X axis 0, y axis 5. X axis 0. Here is there y axis 5. X axis 0, 5, 0 means it will come on x axis. X axis 0, 5 means it will come on y axis. X axis 0 is here is there. Y axis 5 here is there. It will come here. See here 0, 5. 5, 0 will come here. 0, 5 will come on y-axis. So 0, 5 over. Next, what is there? 3, 2. Where is there 3? Here 3. Here 2. It will come same point. This point, which point? This point, 4, 1 point, and 0, 5 point, and 3, 2. 3, 2, where is there? 3, 2. It will meet here. See, it will come 3, 2. See here. Now which line? This line, this line, this line. So again I will take this red pen use and I will do see here. See here. This dot, this dot, this dot. You have to join it. This one little bit extend first graph. See here. This dot, one more what? 3, 2. This dot, this dot, this dot. So I am taking here. This is one line. This is one line. See here, observe here. One line upon one more line is coming. It is overlapping. So this is the answer. Overlapping means it is a which type of graph? Consistent. It is where is there? It is coincident lines. It is what? Consistent. Coincident means what? It will overlap. One line upon one more line will come. Here also observe here. See. This first line is there with blue pen we did that one, and next we did with red pen. One line upon overlapping it is. Here overlapping is there means coincident lines is there means we will come many solutions. Only this much, this one answer. And you write scale also. Scale, see how you are taking, like that you write scale. X-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter taking means 1 centimeter, right? 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Here write y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Only this much is the graph. So here this is the fair notes and this is the graph. Now second question. X minus y is equal to 8. 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Now we will find what it is consistent or inconsistent. We have to find. See here I am writing question. X minus y is equal to 8. Next 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Here nothing means what? 1. So now we will do a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3. Next b1 by b2 we will do. b1 means minus 1 divided by this is minus 3. Minus minus cancel, you will get 1 by 3. Next we will do c1 by c2. c1 means what? 8 divided by c2 means 16. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. You will get 1 by 2. See here this is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 2. See here this both are equal is there. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. But it is not equal to C1 by C2. So like this is there means you observe here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. This is no. This one will come. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. It is not equal to C1 by C2. Means what? It will parallel lines. So this is which type of lines will come? Parallel lines will come. Parallel lines means it will not meet anywhere. Not meet anywhere means which one? Inconsistent answer. No answer. No solution means inconsistent. So this is which type of lines will come means inconsistent lines. See here 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. So it will B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent means there is no solution. No solution means we don't need to do the graph.